So what if the upside down was real? Let's forget how it opened and just say real physics takes over now.
Well, what would happen, honestly? A total catastrophe, because it would start breaking the laws of physics immediately.
First, you've got the portal problem itself. Let's just talk about the air pressure between the two dimensions.
Just a 10% pressure difference? That create constant 50-mile-per-hour winds, a permanent lab hurricane.
But okay, let's say the pressure is equal. A way bigger problem is brewing, because the upside down is cold.
See, the second law of thermodynamics, it's not a suggestion. Heat always flows from hot to cold, no exceptions.
So our world is, a comfy 20 Celsius? Theirs is a sunless, freezing 0. That is a massive gap. We'd be losing 15 megawatts of heat through that portal. That's enough energy to power a small town.
And the effect? So fast, a swimming pool would freeze solid in just 3 hours. Hawkins becomes a permanent cold spot.
Okay, the cold air is bad. But what it's carrying with it, that's way worse. It's a toxic invasion.
A mind-boggling number of toxic spores would pour through. We're talking 1 quintillion every single second.
The fallout would just be devastating. In a week, the whole town is uninhabitable, a total ecological disaster.
Which, of course, brings us to the monsters. So what do Demogorgons even eat? They're huge, but their world is empty.
It's just simple ecology, right? No sun, no plants. No plants, no plant eaters. There's literally nothing for them to eat.
So, the only possible conclusion? They need our world to hunt. They'd strip the local ecosystem bare in weeks.
But the problems go even deeper than that, down to the fundamental rules of physics. This is where reality just unravels.
So, the upside down is dark. If stars can't exist there, it means the basic laws of physics must be different.
And then there's the electromagnetic nightmare. All those flickering lights and haywire compasses, classic signs of a huge EM field. Near that gate, the field would be 100 volts per meter. That's 100 times stronger than normal.
That level of exposure, it's incredibly dangerous. We're talking nerve damage and a massive long-term cancer risk.
But maybe the weirdest thing is how the upside down is frozen in time. It's a snapshot of Hawkins from 1983.
So with all these problems, you'd think the solution is easy. Just close the gate. Yeah, about that impossible fix. Look, closing the gate isn't like shutting a door. You'd have to repair a literal tear in space-time itself.
The energy needed is just astronomical. We're talking the entire mass energy of Jupiter. Yeah, that much. So in the end, our laws of physics make the upside down impossible, but they're also what's keeping us safe from it.